Y'all, it's your girl Lo, and you're watching LoLo Galore. Duh. So as you can tell from the title, today I'm going to be showing you different ways, some of my go-to styles for when I'm rocking Faux Locs. You can also use this for box braids, Singlice twists, passion twists, the whole nine. So keep watching.
You're so natural, they admire you when you pass and on. Confident in who you are, not looking back at them. You're so attractive, yeah, I gotta have you, yeah. Look at you just like I seen a new day, new day. Love it when you wear your hair in different ways. Independent, baby, you deserve a break. We came a long way, I know you had a long day. They criticize your features, I turn critics to believers. We can go to Africa and run it with the zebras. The home where we came from, invaded by the evil. You can look me in my eyes and see the pain from my people. They gon' tell you everything just to hurt you, downgrade, oppress you, and destroy you. Crown on the real one, go adore you. Can I keep it real? Yeah, tell you how I feel, yeah. Girl, you got that black girl magic. Black girl, you got that black girl magic. Black girl, you got that black girl magic. Black girl, you got that black girl magic. I hope they never mistreat you, I promise I'll never leave you. Yeah, they tell us we free, then abusing our freedom, they can't compare to you. They won't tell you the truth, accept yourself for you, make you a better you. Cause God only made one, they can't be like you. They try and imitate your style, but can't do like you do. No makeup, no products, ayy. So perfect, so flawless, ayy. In the morning, you a model, ayy. In the daytime, you got me starstruck, ayy. And if it costs to spend time, tell me how much. And don't believe in the lies, you can do how you want. I swear people, they gon' tell you everything just to hurt you, downgrade, oppress you, and destroy you. Crown on the real one, go adore you. Can I keep it real? Yeah, tell you how I feel, yeah. Black girl, you got that black girl magic. 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 I say black girl, you so beautiful, you so natural. They admire you when you pass and on. Confident in who you are, not looking back at them. You're so attractive, yeah, I gotta have you, yeah. Look at you just like I seen a new day, new day. Love it when you wear your hair in different ways. Independent, baby, you deserve a break. We came a long way, I know you had a long day. They criticize your features, I turn critics to believers. We can go to Africa and run it with the zebras. The home where we came from, invaded by the evil. You can look me in my eyes and see the pain from my people. They gon' tell you everything just to hurt you, downgrade, oppress you, and destroy you. Crown on the real one, go adore you. Can I keep it real? Yeah, tell you how I feel, yeah. Black girl, you got that black girl magic. 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 I hope they never mistreat you, I promise I'll never leave you. Yeah, they tell us we free, then abusing our freedom, they can't compare to you. They won't tell you the truth, accept yourself for you, make you a better you. Cause God only made one, they can't be like you. They try and imitate your style, but can't do like you do. No makeup, no products, ayy. So perfect, so flawless, ayy. In the morning, you a model, ayy. In the daytime, you got me starstruck, ayy. And if it costs to spend time, tell me how much. And don't believe in the lies, you can do how you want. I swear people, they gon' tell you everything just to hurt you, downgrade, oppress you, and destroy you. Crown on the real one, go adore you. Can I keep it real? Yeah, tell you how I feel, yeah. Black girl, you got that black girl magic. 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 I gotta have you, yeah. Look at you just like I seen a new day, new day. Love it when you wear your hair in different ways. Independent, baby, you deserve a break. We came a long way, I know you had a long day. They criticize your features, I turn critics to believers. We can go to Africa and run it with the zebras. The home where we came from, invaded by the evil. You can look me in my eyes and see the pain from my people. They gon' tell you everything just to hurt you, downgrade, oppress you, and destroy you. Crown on the real one, go adore you. Can I keep it real? Yeah, tell you how I feel, yeah. Black girl, you got that black girl magic. Black girl, you got that black girl magic. I promise I'll never leave you. Yeah, they tell us we free, then abusing our freedom, they can't compare.